Tara is going to make some ice cream. Well, we're going to do the first step. We got to freeze overnight.
So this is what you call
ice cream starter.
Artisanal ice cream starter from Williams and Sonoma.
Nice.
My mom gave me. There's no expiration date on here. Here's the recipe. You just basically dissolve this powder into half and half and then heavy cream.
Cool.
And then you freeze it in one of these containers or two, right? And then once it's frozen, we take the frozen stuff like you had there, and then we stick it in this machine and hit ice cream. And it should turn it into ice cream.
Okay. Well, let's. Okay, so
tomorrow.
Yeah.
But right now we're just taking half and half. I got half and half milk, almond milk, and all kinds of stuff so that we can try all these things, you know?
Yeah.
So half and half. You're not videoing me going in a fridge.
I didn't video your butt. No. I mean, I can if you want, but I'm not going to do that.
That's okay.
Okay.
So it says 1.5 cups of half and half. So we'll get the old half and half.
Yeah, I might get demonetized if I do that.
Oh, yeah. Scandalous.
Scandalous. Let's go. That's our new thing. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's all of our students. We teach middle school and grade school. All the students say, let's go.
Let's go. Which cracks me up.
Yeah, right? It's like such a common phrase.
Yeah, it's like.
But now that's the thing.
But like,
and
yeah,
then call your Uber.
Call your Uber.
Call your Uber.
That means
yeah, that means
get away from me.
Get away from me. Call your Uber. Talk to the hand. We used to say talk to the hand.
Yeah, talk to the hand.
Yeah. That's
Okay, so now we just dissolve this stuff in here, half and half, and then we add the same amount
half and half and heavy cream. How much was it?
1.5 cups
of each.
Now I've looked at recipes to do this out too with soy milk, Jello pudding, fruit,
Jello pudding,
different things.
Okay.
Yeah. So this might take just a minute to get dissolved. It's some sugary strawberry stuff.
Yeah.
And then
you cover it and freeze it.
Put them in the little containers and freeze it.
Okay.
And we turn it into ice cream tomorrow.
All right. I guess we'll stop the video here, and then we'll see you when we use the Ninja. The Ninja blender tomorrow. And then we'll have some ice creams.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. See ya later.
See you later, alligator.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Peace out.
Peace out. This is part 2 of the Ninja Blender ice cream maker thingy.
We made this.
Okay. We used ice cream starter. We put what? Heavy cream.
Yeah, 1.5 cups of half and half, and 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And it filled up 2 of these.
Oh wow!
And I froze it.
Max.
Yeah. Yep. I froze it overnight.
Nice.
Now I'm gonna take this lid off.
What's all the chunks in there?
Strawberries.
Oh, freeze-dried strawberries.
Yeah, they were in there.
In the mix.
And put this in here.
I like strawberries.
That's why I wanted to do this one. I put this on here.
So it has like little grooves. It locks. You can't mess
Puts it all in.
Oh, and there's a little button there to unlock it. Okay.
Then this goes in here somehow. This is always a tricky thing. Figuring out how to put this in here. Because I never remember.
Oh, here it says lock.
Yeah. But I think it has to go in this way first. And then it locks in place somehow. Hold on. Almost there. Almost there. Oh. Okay, now lock it.
This is why people watch these videos.
Lock it. Okay.
Okay.
Turn the power on.
Okay.
Hit the ice cream button.
Stand back. Just in case blades come flying out of the machine. Like a ninja.
Let's see how long it takes.
It was like at 1:30 when it started.
There's the blade going down.
Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah. It's really making some progress here. So it just goes, like the impeller goes all the way down to the bottom?
Yeah.
That was like a minute right there. Oh. So that was a minute so far. Good. But we got ninjas and ninjas. We got ninja knives and ninja this and ninja that.
And Terra.
We should get a ninja soda stream.
No, it's just a Terra.
Oh, it's soda stream. Terra. Terra by Terra. That's Terra by Terra right there. I'm Pittsburgh Pat. Yeah, I like ice cream. I want ice cream. It's gonna take 3 minutes to get some ice cream. 3 minutes.
Wait until it's done. Oh,
A minute and a half
we're
of
done.
spinning. Okay,
It's
then there's a
done.
lock.
So I'm gonna undo it.
I think the button there.
Huh? Pull it out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn this power off.
All right, power off. And how do you get the lid off? So the button says unlock.
Take this. This goes straight to the.
Look at those blades. Don't touch.
the
Don't
sink.
lick the blades. Do not
off
lick the
shortly.
blades.
Would you want to grab a spoon, dear kind sir?
Spoon.
And taste test. Maybe another one in there later to do. Does it taste good?
Yeah. Tastes pretty good. It's not real sweet. We didn't add any sugar.
Yeah, there was some in it in the pack.
I think regular ice cream just has a ton of sugar in it. So that's pretty cool. You could control your sugar consumption by this.
I think I might just go ahead and do the second one too, so it's done.
So that's how you make ice cream, folks. All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Peace. I'm Pittsburgh Pat.
Pittsburgh Pat.
That's Terra by Terra.
Nice.
And what do you guys want us to do next time?
Let's go.
Broccoli first.
Broccoli first.
Let's go. Broccoli first. That's our new way of signing off. You like it, put it in the comments. And
Yeah.
maybe if you want, we'll say something. If you put a nice comment in there, maybe we'll say what you want us to say for our sign off. All right.
Broccoli first.
Broccoli first. Let's go.